If you ask me to define that project based on your idea of success, I can never define, because it is going to be unending work. Like Adi Shankaracharya started a revival. Then Shankaracharya 2, Shankaracharya 3, Shankaracharya 4, Shankaracharya 5. Now I think Kanchi Parampara has almost 70 Shankaracharyas. The other Shringeri and all, different numbers. But Kanchi Parampara is almost like 70 Shankaracharyas. They are continuing. Same way, this revival of Kailasa, Nityananda Hindu Library, it starts. It can never end. I tell you. It starts. Based on the scale of success, I can never measure. Based on the scale of joy, I can never measure. I can only measure this whole revival of Nityananda Hindu Library based on excellence. It cannot be measured based on the idea of success. It can only be measured based on the excellence, because we are collecting. I started this work maybe when I was 3. When first book was given to me, I don't even know to read, write alphabets, and I just started playing with it and started picking up. Understand? From that time I am collecting the scriptures. And I am only working for excellence. Means I am very clear. I am going to collect everything related to Hinduism. The source scriptures, various commentaries and translations, good or bad. Some translations are true to the original, some are 80% true, some are 70% true, some are absolutely distorted. But I am going to collect everything. Organize, index. If you Hindus who are interested, if you spend your time, treasure, talent on it, I'll do little early. If not, I will do all alone by myself. I don't have a problem. That is what is my tyaga. If you come, along with you. If not, alone. If you oppose, in spite of you, I'll do what I have to do. That is what is excellence-based strategy. I don't have the idea of success inserted into me. I am very clear. I am Ananda-based person. I am excellence-based person. I am not so-called success-based person or joy-based person. I am excellence-based person. I am bliss-based person. If I complete the mission which I am supposed to complete in this birth, then I will not come back. I will reside in Kailasa, send Shivaganas to continue this work and revive and keep it alive, reach out to the whole humanity. If I feel I have not yet completed, then I will assume one more body, come back and continue this work. It's like Nityananda Acharya too. Then they will call me as Adi Nityananda Acharya. Then Nityananda Acharya 2, Nityananda Acharya 3, Nityananda Acharya 4. It will continue, but the revival will continue forever because it is excellence-based mission, not success-based mission. We are not conversion-based organization. We are transformation-based organization. Hinduism is transformation-based. Neither we promote conversion nor we promote terrorism. Neither we bother to convert nor we promote any terrorism. Hinduism is transformation-based tradition. Excellence-based, not success-based. Understand? This one example, that Nityananda Hindu Library project, Jnanalaya project. Roughly I am feeling that we have 2 crore source books. Collecting all of it, that itself is a humongous task, happening continuously. Mahadeva Swarupa is leading with his wife, and so many volunteers are now joining. I welcome more and more people. Understand, I sincerely feel and invite, request all the 200 crore Hindus, 2 billion Hindus, at least 10% of Hindus, which is 20 crore, 200 million, should become Brahmanas by Varna. You can be from any jati, that's not a problem, but Brahmanas by Varna. Your life is dedicated for this Veda Mata, Hindu scriptures, collection, organizing, indexing, taking it out, translating into international languages, and reaching out to the whole world.